Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 333rd episode and the last cooking video of 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Hope everybody had a wonderful holiday season, spending time with your family and friends. Can you believe we'll be in the new year 2020 in 3 days? OMG, it's upon us. 2019 went by fast. Well, today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a Southern classic, shrimp and grits, but with a twist. We're going to make shrimp and grits on toast. We're going to turn it to an appetizer. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of flavor, cheesy goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these appetizers would be great to serve for your New Year's Eve party, also at your upcoming breakfast or brunch. Your guest is going to enjoy these, and everybody will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your cheese, your shrimp, and your grits sugar, because we're about to make some shrimp and grits on toast magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. We're going to add in 3 cans of vegetable broth, or you can use chicken or seafood. And all we do is bring the broth to a boil. Alrighty, my friends, our vegetable broth has come to a boil. So now we're going to slowly add and whisk in 1 1/3 cups of quick cooking grits. Remember, when making grits, you want to make sure you whisk it so that way your grits won't be lumpy. Alright, so now we're going to cut the fire down to low. And we're going to cover the pot and let it cook for 5 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, our grits is nice and cooked. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and a 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese. And stir that in until well incorporated. Smells good. Love me some grits. Alright, my friends, now we're going to pour the grits into a greased 9x13-inch long baking pan. That grease with cooking spray. Alright, my friends, now we're going to cover the pan and we're going to pop it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill until it's firm for about 2 hours. Alright, my friends, our grits is nice and chill, so I flipped them over. So now we're going to brush them with some melted butter that I have right here. Brush them all over the grits. Going to give them a nice color. And I use 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to cut them. I'm using my cup here that I put my seasonings in, or you can use a biscuit cutter or a glass. Just gonna cut them like this. And then we're gonna put them on my cookie sheet that I lined with foil and cooking spray. Alright, I'm gonna finish cutting my grits and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip them on the other side and let them bake for another 15 minutes until they're golden brown and crisp. Alright, my friends, let's go ahead and get started on our shrimp mixture. In my bowl, I'm using 2 types of cream cheese. Going to give it a great texture. I'm using 4 ounces of the block cream cheese and 4 ounces of the cream cheese spread. That let come to room temperature. Going to give it a quick stir. Next, we're going to add in a half a cup of shredded whole milk mozzarella, or you can use the cheese of your choice. 1 tablespoon of whole milk. 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley, and a pound of shrimp that I cooked, peeled, and deveined. And I chop them. Going to give that a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Okay, my friends, our grits cakes is nice and crisp. So now we're going to dollop the shrimp mixture right on top. Like so. Alright, my friends, so now it's time for the final step. We're going to add some shredded cheese on top. And I'm using Kobe Jack, or you can use any cheese of your choice. Can't have too much cheese. Alright, my friends, now we're going to put them under the broiler until the cheese is melted, about 5 minutes. My friends, don't they look good? I just taken them out the oven. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, so now I'm about to put them on my platter, and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Shrimp and grits on toast. And I garnish it with some fresh parsley. Don't that look pretty? Alright, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. All that cheese. Mmm. Mmm. And them grits is delicious. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Love me some shrimp and grits. Yum-o. Shrimp and grits delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all next time. Let's eat and have a blessed and safe, happy new year. Much love.